today's content, we are going to talk about the visibility when you upload your video in YouTube. Coming up. You are watching my YouTube channel, CoyTV, where I make my video tutorial, travel vlogs, tech review, and unboxing, and many more. And for those people that are new to my channel, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell to be updated in my future videos. Many YouTubers ask what is unlisted. When they upload videos, they actually upload it automatically without even premiering their video, or they upload it in instant premiere. But having a private or unlisted video is very important. It is important for those monetized people because they can actually see for having unlisted videos. For example, they click the unlisted, then publish their videos, then also it will make their video to ensure it is suitability for ads you publish. So it will be, I guess, 2 hours or 30 minutes to 1 hour depending of the YouTube. So actually they will see if your video is more suitable for ads, then you can actually send an appeal if they are not suitable for ads. You can see here in the save or publish, there will be 3 options: the private, unlisted, and public. So private is only you, or if you send a link to other people, they might actually see your video in private. The unlisted is anyone with the video link can see your video. Then also, as I have said earlier, that you can use it for monetization purposes, or it is very important for those monetized channels. Then the public, you can actually put in public, then instant premiere. If you upload, then send it to YouTube, then instant premiere. So the second tab is the schedule, which is you can actually set date for more advanced dates. You can see if it will be in next month or in the next week. You can actually publish it in premiere. Then also it can help you get more viewers for that particular video. When you upload it in, I guess, in next week, you can have at least gathered viewers for that particular video. So that's it. I hope you learn about something about unlisted, private, and also public and premiering. So I hope you learn something from this video. And also for those viewers that are still not subscribed to my channel, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell for my future updates of my uploads and video content. So thank you and God bless. To those people that are still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated in my future videos. Thank you and God bless.